Time saving, right? Time saving. Cost saving. Personal cost savings for your heart, all your food, the cosmetics you need to buy, clothes you need to buy so much, you know. Time and cost. Productivity. You can improve productivity at your own leisure time without constraint or control. So you must highlight the benefits in your policy. By doing this particular policy, the company will allow employees to save on time, cost savings for the individual, as well as the company will be what? Rental. You save on rental, you don't need such a big area. So you save on cost of rental area, and the productivity of the individual. But you gain that, employees are more committed to do it. And you may have to monitor and measure. Maybe, unfortunately now Singapore started all together. In the past, we used to start by Department A, then Department B,